Hello friends, today I am here with new topic, that is B Farm Pharmacy Practice School and project work oriented AICTE free courses during lockdown till 31st July 2020. I am main purpose over here is that All India Council for Technical Education New Delhi is a national coordinator under SWAYAM to conduct or run MOOC, that is massive open online courses, that is free for technical education aspirants and faculty members. This announcement it is done prior earlier, but just a week time it is pending. That's why I made this video, so that the opportunity from student side should not go well. Many companies came forward to give their products free of cost for those who register till 31st July 2020 for your learning. Courses that prepare you for your practice school semester 7, as per PCI syllabus and directive, you need to do 150 hours training at college or industry, research organization or health related IT industry for your practice school. But during this course, means COVID-19 lockdown period, AICTE New Delhi announced many courses. It will help you to update your knowledge and basic concepts of the interest area of your own, and the project SEM 8 you have to do on itself actual working. You may start in SEM 8. The career and projects in healthcare information technology industry will be the future in medicine and pharmaceuticals. So our first course under this is Python for machine learning. Python is a easy to learn powerful programming language. You can use Python when your data analysis tasks need to be integrated with web apps, or if statistics code need to be incorporated into a production databases. Being a full-fledged programming language, Python is a great tool to implement algorithms for production use. There are Python packages for basic data analysis and machine learning. In this course, you will learn about two popular Python languages or packages, that is NumPy and Pandas. These are the essential foundational packages that are required for basic data manipulation. Nowadays in iOS app entrepreneurship, build a tech startup, you can go ahead. You will need an iOS developer account to launch and distribute apps, a Mac with Xcode installed. Ideally, you will have a willingness to learn. This course covers starting a US company, but the same principles can be applied in any country like India also. Desire to distribute and monetize apps. Monetize means to earn money. Desire to create your own company and become an app entrepreneur. Nowadays health apps that are running very well. Third, that is roadmap to artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you hear always around, there are many seminars or webinars it is going on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Its use in pharmacy sector is also there. So this course is created for all the artificial intelligence aspirant who have many queries in their mind, that is, what are the prerequisites for AI, what is the roadmap to start machine learning projects, how to choose the best programming language for AI, how much mathematical knowledge need for AI, which is the best AI engine tool framework for AI. So each video is having the real-time scenario examples in simple language, so that anyone without programming knowledge can understand in depth about artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our fourth course is Marketing Foundation. This foundation course covers some principles or basic concepts related with marketing. It's providing the understanding of marketing mix, the most important, that is marketing strategy, and the product life cycle. In pharmaceuticals also it will go. The course explains how to analyze customer value and access the customer satisfaction and loyalty. So that is important for those students who are looking for marketing as a career after BPharm. Fifth course, Introduction to Digital Marketing. Now digital marketing is a field of marketing that use the internet and online digital technologies to promote products and services. This course is for anyone who is curious about digital marketing and want to learn more about digital marketing strategies and how to run ads on various marketing channels. This course covers digital marketing, best digital marketing strategies, and how to run ads on various digital marketing channels. Now, how to win customers and skyrocket your sales and profit. Now, I have told you earlier also that after this pandemic COVID-19 situation, the most jobs it will be in marketing and production. So direct customers, you have to learn that how to keep your sales increasing and profit also. So this course helps you solve the problem of not being able to win your customers for a lifetime, make more sales and maximize your profit. If you really want to experience more power, profit and prosperity in your business, then this course is for you. How to win customers and skyrocket your sales and profit. This will cover a step-by-step process to amaze your current customers, attract new high-paying customers, and achieve success and wealth through mastering the science and art of customer service, including key insights and actionable steps. Now these courses were for SEM 7. You can go ahead. Now in second, that is B part, that is courses that will help you in project work SEM 8. Now you are seeing here this chart, formulating extensive literature, hypothesis, research design, analysis data, execution of project. So collection of data, designing sample, and even after getting your data you need a lot of calculation. Take an example like that tablet you are preparing. So you will require a lot of dissolution testing studies, then in vitro release pattern, and you will also need lot of formulas and its calculations. So you should be very good at Excel. So this is course for Excel for beginner, understanding and skill set to be able to make the most effective use of Microsoft Excel. It enables you to create, calculate and analyze your spreadsheet. It jumpstart to budget, task list, accounting and financial analysis. Excel's modern template. You will learn to use formulas to do complex calculation to analyze your data. And finally, the most important thing, that is the concepts such as borders, sorting and filtering with the data else condition, data cleaning and data visualization, aggregation and charts. Second is project management techniques for work and home. So when you will do project, you should understand how to do that project management process works, how to apply the processes to work and how to incorporate them into their personal projects. The course also provides individual with insight into how a project manager thinks, which help advance your career. Now, all lectures for students through the project management process with an emphasis on how the process can be used to manage efficiently home projects and help individual perform well in their project meetings. So this is also very important to run your SEM 8 project. Now third is Tic-Tac-Toe Healthcare. Now this is a mobile health technology that is also the future for pharmaceuticals and medicines and even the health services. Tic-Tac-Toe aims to make mental health care accessible to all. For people facing emotional difficulties, Tic-Tac-Toe is a cloud-based platform that connects them with psychologists and other mental health experts who can help them lead happier and healthier lives. We enable telepsychology, psychometric assessments and analytics via mobile apps. So this is also a good course which you will learn how to create such type of apps. Now last but not the least, that is a robot for everyone. Now many students, they are interested in robotic. So robotic process automation course is intended to introduce RPA to students. The course assumes no prior knowledge of RPA. The course takes a use case approach. It helps by defining a real world generic problem and how it's solved in a non-RPA environment. The course goes on to teach skills that enable the students to create a robot using free UiPath software, that is academic Alliance Edition, to automate the solution. This course consists of 4 hours of duration. Now the most important thing, how to register for this AICTE course. Just go to the link address, that is aicteindia.org, or just name AICTE in Google search and courses you have to click. Go to the individual course and press Learn Now button below it. Then on page of that company right hand side, Learn for free during COVID shutdown, orange color button is there. Just click it to join course main page. Then sign up or register for the courses without fail before 31st July 2020. Afterwards, there might be chances that it may become paid later on. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment on it. Thanks for watching this video, and watch my other videos also for further learning of practice skills and project work. Thank you.